The American Cancer Society says skin cancer is the most common of all cancers in the U.S. And while melanoma accounts for only about 1% of skin cancers, it causes a large majority of skin cancer deaths. But a new clinical trial using mRNA technology to prevent melanoma cancer reoccurrence is now underway. Joining us is Dr. Jeff Yorio, lead trial investigator at Texas Oncology-Austin Central. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Thank you for having me.
Dr. Yorio, Austin is one of only 2 sites here in Texas participating in this global clinical trial. I understand you've enrolled 2 patients in phase 3 of this trial, but you're looking for more?
Yes, definitely. Would love to have more patients. You know, this is a trial that's basically looking at patients with a high-risk stage 2, stage 3, or stage 4 melanoma who have had it removed by surgery, and we are looking at adding this vaccine after that initial surgical treatment.
So this is essentially an mRNA vaccine, Moderna, correct, for patients who have been diagnosed with melanoma. How does it work?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. You know, so people, of course, are familiar with the COVID vaccine, which some of those COVID vaccines used mRNA technology. In this case, they're actually taking a specimen from the patient's tumor, the patient's melanoma, and they're designing a personalized vaccine for that person's melanoma, and then reintroducing that back to the patients with the idea that it's stimulating their immune system to find and kill that cancer if it's still around anywhere. And so it's literally personalized immunotherapy.
Wow. Okay, so this is phase 3 of the trial. What will you be looking at?
So this trial, so currently for patients that fit that description, you know, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 patients that have had it removed by surgery, we would offer them adjuvant immunotherapy drugs, and one of those medicines is a drug called Keytruda or pembrolizumab, and they go on that medicine typically for about 1 year after surgery. And so this trial is looking at still using that treatment, which is a standard of care right now, and seeing about adding this mRNA vaccine to that treatment. And it will be randomizing people to receive the vaccine, and then about 1/3 of the people will not receive the vaccine. They'll just receive standard of care treatment with the pembrolizumab, the Keytruda. And then we'll be able to tell and see if adding this vaccine is beneficial to these patients, and hopefully that will translate into this type of technology getting approved and being available to all patients with melanoma that have a stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 melanoma.
If all does go well, how soon could this go to market and become a viable treatment for people with melanoma?
You know, the trial itself will probably take 1 to 2 years to fully accrue across the world, and then you have to wait for some results to really come in. And so I'd anticipate probably this is something that's available to everybody potentially in 2 to 3 years if it goes well.
And once again, who is eligible for this trial and how can they sign up?
So these are going to be patients that are a high-risk stage 2, stage 3, or stage 4 melanoma that has been completely removed by surgery. And then patients that have just had their surgery, so we'd like to start them on this type of treatment within about 3 months of surgery.
All right, and we do have a link to the trial on our website, which is fox7austin.com. Dr. Yorio with Texas Oncology, thank you so much for sharing your time and expertise with us tonight.
Great. Thank you very much for having me.